What is up, everybody? It's your boy Shalamadesta back with another video, and let me tell you, this one's gonna be huge. We're talking life-changing huge. Listen, we all love that sound, right? That sweet, sweet sound of money hitting your account. We've got apps for every hustle, every talent, every skill set. So, are you ready to ditch that 9-to-5 grind and become your own boss? Stick around because I'm about to drop the hottest, the freshest, the most fire top 5 money-making apps of 2025. You don't want to miss this. Kicking things off at number 5, we've got a heavyweight contender in the world of online earning, Upwork. Now, if you're someone who's always told they've got a special skill, a knack for something, Upwork is your new best friend. We're talking writers, designers, developers, virtual assistants, you name it, Upwork's got it. Think of it like this. It's a massive online marketplace where clients from all over the world are looking for talented people like you. You create a profile, showcase your skills, and boom, you're in business. Set your rates, choose your projects, and work from anywhere in the world. So what are you waiting for? Get your freelance game on. Alright, coming in hot at number 4, we've got a platform that's near and dear to my heart, Etsy. Now for all you creative souls out there, for those who love to make, to build, to design, to craft, Etsy is your haven. It's a global marketplace where you can sell your unique, handmade goods to a world hungry for authenticity. Got a knack for knitting the coziest scarves this side of the North Pole? Etsy's your runway, baby. Sell those scarves and watch your bank account get cozier than ever. So unleash your inner entrepreneur and get ready to share your craft with the world. Chapter 3. Number 3, YouTube, lights, camera, cash. Hold up. Did you really think I'd make a video about making money online and not mention the big dog? Coming in strong at number 3, it's YouTube, baby. YouTube is a goldmine, a money-making machine, but only if you're willing to put in the work. Find your niche, create awesome content, be consistent, and watch your audience grow. We're talking ad revenue, sponsorships, brand deals, even your own merchandise line. But remember, Rome wasn't built in a day, and neither is a successful YouTube channel. You gotta be patient, persistent, and passionate about what you're creating. Chapter 4, number 2, TaskRabbit. Turn your time and skills into cold, hard cash. Alright, coming in at number 2, we've got an app that's all about turning your free time into easy money, TaskRabbit. With TaskRabbit, you can say goodbye to boring side hustles and hello to a world of flexible, on-demand tasks that fit your schedule. Got a knack for assembling furniture? Boom! You're now the go-to furniture guru in your neighborhood. You set your rates, you choose your tasks, you work when you want, where you want. It's like being your own boss, but even better. Chapter 5. Number 1, Fiverr, your $5 ticket to online success. And now, for the moment you've all been waiting for, the number 1 app to make money online in 2025 is, drumroll please, Fiverr. It's the ultimate platform for anyone and everyone to turn their skills and talents into a thriving online business. No matter what you're good at, from graphic design to voiceovers, writing to social media management, there's a gig waiting for you on Fiverr. So what are you waiting for? Sign up for Fiverr, unleash your inner entrepreneur, and watch the orders roll in. Make money moves. So there you have it, folks. The top 5 money-making apps of 2025. No more excuses, alright? The power to change your financial future is literally at your fingertips. Whether you're a tech-savvy coder, a creative wordsmith, or just someone with a little hustle and a lot of heart, there's an app out there waiting to make you money. So go out there, crush it, and show the world what you're made of. And hey, while you're out there making money moves, don't forget to show your boy Shalama some love. Hit that like button if you enjoyed this video, subscribe for more money-making tips and tricks, and smash that notification bell so you never miss an upload. I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.